Is your 2017-2022 Ford Explorer key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is quick, easy, and saves you money compared to dealership service. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Your Ford Explorer key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. These are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, auto parts stores, and online retailers like Amazon for about $1 to $5. Make sure to only use CR2032 batteries, as other batteries can cause malfunction. To open the key fob, first locate the small indentation on the side of your key fob. This is where you'll insert your tool. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the indentation. Use a small, flat tool to avoid damaging the fob. Twist or pry gently to separate the two halves of the fob. Take your time and apply steady pressure. Be careful not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the fob or scratch the surface. A popular YouTube video by AutoZone demonstrates this pry technique to avoid scratches and shows the process clearly. Once the fob is open, remove the old battery. Pay close attention to the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up to ensure proper contact. The positive side is usually clearly labeled on the battery itself. Now that the battery is replaced, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring they are fully aligned. You should hear a click to confirm it's secure. Now, test the fob's functions near your vehicle. Try unlocking the doors, starting the engine, and activating the panic button to ensure everything works properly. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean them gently with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. Also, double-check the battery orientation. If problems persist, the issue may be more complex, requiring professional diagnosis.